Okay. Every time you're here, Martin, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scan your back first, okay? We're gonna hold on to this. And what I do is I'm gonna scan your back to figure out where in your spine that you be corrected, okay? And I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna do more examination. And I'm gonna take a look at X-ray. I'm gonna adjust you. The instrumentation I'm using is called the ECS. It is a single probe, different from your usual Gonstead nervous scope. And also we have a patient hold on to the metal bar, sending the circuit back to the machine. Therefore, if there's any inflammation of the spine, then we will do more examination and make appropriate corrections. So we got right A-side joint, which is your sacroiliac joint between the sit bone and your hip bone. That's basically what we're looking at. Something going on with the L5 A1 too. All right, so I'm gonna check on your spine now. I'm gonna move them around and poke them around, and let's see which one we need to address. Okay. All right, go ahead, put your hands out like this for me, just like that. And go ahead, relax onto my hand. I'm going to check the motion. I'm going to rotate you over just like that. So that's a little sticky right in there. Okay, stay right there. That's a little bit better. Okay, all right, put it down. I'm going to push it in. Let me know if you have any discomfort with that, okay?
Okay.
So let's go ahead and go with it. Let's go ahead and go with the S2, which is center first. Okay, lean back. Is that sore right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's S2 or S1. Which one gives me more discomfort?
The last one that you did.
Last one,
Yeah,
S1?
yeah.
Okay. S1 or L5?
No.
No.
Yeah.
S1 give me more. And now I'm going to move towards the right side. Lean back. That's the right. And that's the left. Which one?
The right.
The right.
Yeah, the left.
Okay, let's take a look at your X-ray, see how your pelvis is misaligned. So we have P5-R, which means that your right side of the sacrum has rotated backwards about 5 millimeters. In addition to that, with the combo iliac listing of AS1, 9, and 6, means that your iliac, the hip bone on the right side, has moved up forward and internally rotated about 6 millimeters. In addition to that, if you look at the spines of your lower back, everything's rotating towards the left side, so that kind of confirms with what's happening down here. Now, part of the reason why you have this misaligned or subluxation is because you do have a short leg on the right side, and that over time your body just adapt and compensate from it. And the last thing I wanted to see the motion X-ray, see how you move. So the reason that we're doing the motion X-ray is because we wanted to see if your spine is moving correctly or not. So basically what we have over here is that when you're bending to the left side, everything's just talking beautifully. You see how the spine is rotating towards the left side when you're bending to the left side. And this is great. This is normal biomechanics. But what happened is that when you're bending to the right side, everything like your nose stuck on the left side. So it's not tucking in correctly. So your spine is not moving correctly, and that goes all the way down to over here. The base of your foundation is fault. You have biomechanics issue, and that's causing everything upstairs not going correctly. And with the palpation and the scoping auto to show that your right A side has issue, that's why we're gonna go ahead and adjust your right sacrum today. Okay? So with your sacrum on the right side, left side down, more towards the S1. That's pretty good. That's it. Good. Okay. Come on up. Slowly, no rush. All right. So tell me what do you feel?
I feel more. I guess I didn't even notice this, but before I was like this, but now I feel more. It takes less effort, I think.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
More centrally grounded, weighted.
Yeah.
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 Because gravity is working with you now.
Yeah.
All right, you just go ahead and let your stomach drop, let everything relax. Yeah, that's pretty good. We'll take it down a little bit more. Here we go. Just like that. Okay. Come on down, walk a little bit for me. Hey, tell me how you feel. Changes.
I mean, I feel better for sure.
Okay.
Same thing as last time. I don't feel my shoulder as much as I did, and if any, like I said, I feel my left one kind of being more active.
What else?
And I guess I don't feel as tight on my the from the like space of my head here. Feels relaxed. I still feel like tension, but I think that's just muscle. My muscle's still like tight, but
Yeah.
yeah.
And the body's still trying to work through it too as
Right.
well, right? It sounds like you're pretty in tune with your body, which is great.
Yeah.
And I think you're going to be able to pay a lot of attention to the detail changes.
Yeah.
And that's a great report for us to continue to monitor your progress that way.
Okay.
That's good. Oh, that's beautiful, Martin. Oh, that's moving way better. That's it. Is that painful?
No.
Better, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we set that pretty well. It's moving pretty well now. Now the question is, we don't know how long you will be able to hold these adjustments, right? Yeah. So the homework for you, every time after the adjustment, Martin, is that after the adjustments, I need you to walk.
Okay.
Walk for at least 10 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
And also, if you feel some soreness around here and here where I adjusted you,
Yeah.
just ice it.
Okay.
Okay? All right. Any questions?
No.
Cool. All right. So that's good for today. And then we'll follow up with you this Wednesday and Friday.
Right. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks.
I'll see you outside.